Hi guys, welcome to the 24th video of the JavaScript tutorial series. Today we'll be taking a look at the concat array method. So concat helps you to combine arrays together or add values in an array. So let's get started. So I've opened up my JSFiddle window and I'm at the JavaScript tab. Now let me define two different arrays. My boys, Max, Mark, and Robin. Let's say my girls, Julia, and Kate, and where my children equal to. So if you want to concatenate these two arrays together, as in you want to combine these two arrays together, this is how you do it. So you'll say my girls dot concat, the brackets, you'll say my boys, right? And you can say document dot write my children, right? So you get an entire array called my children, which has all the three values from this and all the three values from this. So total 6 values, right? Now if you want to add so what I want to show you here is that you can have multiple arrays here inside the concat bracket. So let me show you how that works. So I'll say my children's equal to 12. I'll take 3 more random names like Katie, Jennifer, and Peter, right? So I'll say all, I'll say my boys dot concat so basically I'm trying to show you how you can combine more than 2 arrays at the same time, right? So you want an array called all, will have all the values of all these 3 arrays, and you can do that by sending multiple values in this concat function, concat method inside that bracket. So when you say all, you'll get all the values. You'll get an array with all the values, right? So that's clear. Now let's see if we had just one array called my boys and we want to add another value to it called children, right? So this is another value to it called Peter, sorry. So there are 3 values, Max, Mark, Robin, and you want to add Peter to it. Just add one value. So you know how to do it, right? You can do push, right? Or you can take the length minus 1, or sorry, it's just the length directly. Those are the 2 different ways you've already seen in the previous videos on how to add different or like more values to an array. And then this is another way. So now you'll get Mark, Max, Robin, and Peter because you've added another value called Peter by concatenating it, right? So I hope that makes sense. Thanks a lot for watching and see you in the next episode.